item. So this last item we've had in the store. It's very popular amongst the young ones, the young kids. Now, if you're into vlogging or you're thinking about maybe starting a vlogging channel in 2022, or you know a young person who might be wanting to start a vlogging channel, this is a Moza Mirfak Vlogging Kit, and it's going to include everything but the phone. So as long as you provide the phone, this kit's going to include everything. On the back, it actually shows you that, oh, might be a little bright. Here, I'll show you the picture on the front here. So it's going to come with the selfie stick tripod, so you can actually extend the phone out. It'll come with a microphone, so you can get better audio for your Instagram videos, TikTok videos, or your YouTube videos. And it's going to come with an LED light so that you can get a little bit better illumination when you're singing, dancing, pranking, telling jokes, telling your stories, telling about your bad day, whatever it is that you're vlogging about. You're going to get better illumination with the LED light, better audio with the microphone, and then of course the selfie stick and the tripod in order to hold that out in front of you.